Today is the lecture 19 of Basic Electronics Boolean Algebra Part 4. Welcome to our channel ClassFly Community. So today is the Part 4 of a Boolean Algebra. We have done till absorption law. So today we will do and complete a part of the laws. That is, today we will have the look on De Morgan law. Okay. So see, De Morgan law says that if my first equation is a plus b complement, then I will change each of them. That is, I will do a, that is, I will complement each of the thing. That is, I will do a complement dot a's. What is the a's complement? A complement, right? What is plus? When I will complement it, it will be dot. And what is b complement? I will do b complement, right? See, basically what this equation has done internally, if I write this bar like this, a bar, if I change this plus here with dot, as plus opposite is dot, and b bar, and if I do again one complement, what I will get? A plus b, right? A plus b plus complement, I will get this only. I will get that only, right? Basically it says that. And for this one also we'll do, what is the opposite of a complement? What is the opposite of dot? It is plus. And what is the opposite of b? It's b complement, right? So similar thing for it, a bar plus b bar. And if I do again complement, what I will get? A plus a dot b bar, right? See, now I will solve this with the truth table. As there are two input, so it will be 4 columns, rows will be 4, and whenever we divide 4 by 2, what we get? 2, right? So we will give 2 zeros and 2 ones, and in the next column we will give 0 1 0 1 1 0 1. Okay, so now a plus b, we know that for addition, for that is addition means or what we get? If any of the digit is 1, we will get 1, right? So 0 or 0 is 0, 0 or 1 is 1, 1 or 0 is 1, 1 or 1 is also 1. When I complement this table, I get 1 0 0 0. When I complement a, I get 1 1 0 0. When I complement b, I get 1 0 1 0. Now see, I have to match this one with this one. So if I do this one, that is the AND here, I know when I get 0 in AND, if one of the value is 0, I will get 0. So simply for 1 plus 1, it's 1. For 1 dot 1 is 1, 1 dot 0 is 0, 0 dot 1 is 0, 0 dot 0 is 0. You can see this column and this column are same, right? I get 1 0 0 0, 1 0 0 0, it's same. So I proved that a plus b, that is or a or b complement, is equal to a complement and b complement. Okay, now we will see for this one how we will prove this one with the truth table. See now, as it is saying a and b complement is equal to a complement or b complement, right? We will do similarly 2 zeros, 2 ones, 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1, right? For a and b, what I will do? See, 0, whenever 1 will be, any of the value will be 0, I will get 0. So for the first 3 I got 0, and only for the last I got 1. When I complement this, what I get? 2 ones, 2 0. Only 1 1 1 0 for the b complement I get. So now we will see that this column is equal to this column. Before that, we will see a dot b's complement. then what it is, as it is first 3 0, I will get as a complement all as 1s and only the last one is 0. And for this one, when I will do OR, I will get what? 1 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is also 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. Only for 0 plus 0 is 0. That is, if either of the value is 1, I will get 1. We can see this column and this column is similar. So we prove that A dot B complement is equal to A complement plus B complement. So let's end our lecture for the De Morgan's law here, and we completed with the laws. So till then, be happy and have a great day.
Now it's the quote time. Life is what happens when you are busy making other plans. I think all of you understood today's lecture, and thank you for watching.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magazine videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at ClassFly community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.